Hi guys, hallo, wie geht's, wie steht's? Ich hoffe, ihr habt eine nette Ferien gehabt, eine nette Frühlingsferien. Um, so, let's get to work here. Welcome back. I hope you all had a great spring break, and I'm sorry that you didn't get to go to all those wonderful places that you thought you were going to get to go to. But today, we're going to learn how to do directions in German. So if you are ever in Germany, you can get to the places you want to go there. All right, so we're in the second section of chapter 9. On page 253, you'll notice at the bottom is all your vocab. Okay, so a couple of you have been really good at making Quizlets for the whole class. Thank you, Timothy. So someone might want to do that. So I'll go over this with you really quickly. To the right is nach rechts. This is my right, your left. To the left is nach links. You want to say to the, right? So it would be nach. Geradeaus means straight ahead. Okay? Eine Ampel, die Ampel, is a traffic light. And if you're going up to someplace like an Ampel or a Rathaus or the museum, you're going to say bis zum or bis zur. Okay? I actually have made you a little extra sheet of vocabulary to be sure that you get it all and add a few to what's in the book. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on here. Bis zum would be for der or das words, like Rathaus or museum. And then bis zur is going to be for D words like Ampel. Oops. Okay, so du gehst bis zum Rathaus means you go to the city hall. Bis zur Ampel, you go to the traffic light. Okay. So einbiegen means to turn into. It's a stem change. A separable prefix verb. Oh, you can't see me. There we go. Oh, but you got to see this better. Maybe you can just hear me. And then when you turn into or go into a street, like you turn onto Oak Grove Road or onto Ignatia Valley in German, you say in die and then whatever name of the street is. And then whatever you're looking for, or if you want to use it as a point of interest, it's going to be auf der linken Seite. If nach links was to the left, nach links, what do you suppose auf der linken Seite means? Correct, on the left side of the street. And then auf der rechten Seite, of course, is going to be on the right side of the street. Okay? So hopefully you have these written down. Because now, look at what I did. I drew you a little map. Okay, this is a map of some city or some little part of a city in Germany. And I'm going to read to you slowly how you're going to actually use these words. Okay? All right. Eventually, we're going to be using the command forms, but right now I'm just going to be saying du gehst. And I'm assuming that you're on foot and you're walking through this town. Du gehst von deinem Zuhause in die Sternstraße. So you're going this direction, right? In die Sternstraße, 1, 2, 3 Straßen. So instead of saying blocks, they just say streets, 3 Straßen. Und dann gehst du in die Mondstraße, eine Straße. So you're going this way. So dann gehst du in die Alpenstraße nach rechts. In die Alpenstraße. Das Rathaus ist auf der linken Seite. You're facing this way. So das Rathaus ist auf der linken Seite. Dann gehst du bis zur Schulstraße. Dann gehst du nach links in die Schulstraße. Das Rathaus ist jetzt auf der linken Seite. Dann gehst du immer wieder geradeaus, bis die Bank auf der rechten Seite ist. Die Bank ist auf der rechten Seite. Dann gehst du die Schulstraße entlang oder geradeaus bis zur Blauer Straße. Because you're going this direction. Dann gehst du nach links in die Blauer Straße. Die Post ist auf der rechten Seite. Okay? That's how that works. Now, I'm going to say directions. You're going to start at the Das Museum. I'm not going to do it on the map. You're going to have to do it on the map, and you're going to have to figure out where you end up. Okay? So I'm going to do this right now with you, and then I'm going to put a couple of written directions online on Google Classroom, and you have to tell me where you get to. And then you get to write a situation of directions, and you will start me, say, up here at the Goetheplatz, and then you'll say, Frau Nancy, du gehst blah, 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 and then I'll say, bis zur Bank. And if you had me come down here and you wanted me to the hotel, then I didn't follow the directions, or the directions were not given right. Okay, so that's what we're aiming for. Okay, so du beginnst am Goetheplatz. Ready? Du gehst in die Sternstraße, 2 Straßen, dann gehst du nach links in die Schulstraße. Du gehst eine Straße und dann gehst du nach links in die Alpenstraße bis zur Mondstraße. Dann gehst du nach rechts in die Mondstraße. Dann gehst du nach rechts in die Sonnenstraße. Was ist auf der linken Seite? So, you'll have to listen to it again maybe. I had you start here in die Sternstraße links, in die Schulstraße links, in die Alpenstraße nach rechts, in die Mondstraße, and dann in die Sonnenstraße, and then on the left side of the street was der Park. Okay? So that's how you you actually use this vocabulary. Okay? Read through the exercises, the vocabulary on page 253. Listen to the video a couple of times. Look at the map, and then try and follow the instructions on the handout that I'm going to put on Google Classroom. All right? Good luck. Have fun. I have announced our Zoom meeting for tomorrow, so I'm really looking forward to seeing everybody tomorrow. All right? Thanks, guys. Tschüss.